This is the complete guide to KREA AI, the AI creative platform with a real-time image generation canvas that updates as you draw, type, and move elements, the best free AI upscaler available, custom model training, and video generation. By the end of this video you will know how the real-time canvas works, how to use the upscaler to get professional quality results, how to train your own custom AI model inside KREA, how KREA video generates motion from images, how KREA compares to Midjourney, Firefly, and Ideogram, every pricing plan, and the real workflows designers and creatives are running with KREA right now. Let us get into it. KREA AI is an AI creative platform founded in 2022 by Victor Perez, a researcher formerly at Google Brain. The core mission behind KREA is to make AI image generation feel like a natural creative tool rather than a text search box. The defining feature is the real-time canvas. Instead of typing a prompt, clicking generate, and waiting for a result, KREA generates and updates the image continuously as you work. Draw a shape, the AI fills it with your subject. Adjust the prompt, the image shifts in real time. Move an element, the composition changes instantly. KREA is powered by Stable Diffusion and the Flux.1 model family, with a real-time inference pipeline that makes instantaneous generation possible. Beyond the canvas, KREA includes an upscaler that scales images 4 to 16 times with genuine texture enhancement, custom model training on Flux for your own style or subject, and video generation from both text and still images. Let me walk through every major KREA feature. Real-time canvas, the core feature. Draw shapes, place reference images, and type your prompt. The AI generates and updates the output live as you work. No click to generate. No waiting. AI upscaler, scale any image from 4 to 16 times its original resolution with genuine texture and sharpness enhancement. The upscaler adds detail rather than just stretching pixels, making it one of the best free upscaling tools available. KREA Video, generate video clips from still images or text descriptions with cinematic motion output. Custom models, upload a set of your images and train a Flux model to generate your specific style, character, product, or visual language on demand. Flux generation, standard text-to-image using Flux.1 Schnell and Dev, currently among the highest quality image generation models available. Patterns, generate seamless repeating patterns and textures in real time, ready for fabric, surface, and graphic design use. Backgrounds, remove or replace image backgrounds with AI in real time. And logo illusions, embed text, logos, and word marks into AI-generated imagery as a creative visual effect. The real-time canvas is what makes KREA fundamentally different from every other AI image tool on the market. Draw to generate, sketch any shape on the canvas, circle, rectangle, or freehand, and the AI instantly fills it with your prompted subject. Live prompt sync, every word you type updates the image in real time. You can watch the image evolve character by character as you describe it. Reference images, place any photograph, illustration, or graphic on the canvas and KREA uses it as a composition and content guide for the generation. Strength control, a slider lets you blend between your input drawing and full AI generation, giving you fine control over how closely the AI follows your sketch. Spatial control, place multiple elements in specific positions on the canvas and the AI respects the spatial layout in its output. Style and negative prompts are both applied in real time. And because there is no click to generate step, every adjustment you make is an instant iteration, which dramatically speeds up the creative exploration process. Here is how to get started with KREA AI from scratch. Step 1. Go to KREA.ai and create a free account. Google or email login. The real-time canvas and the upscaler are both available on the free plan. No card required. Step 2. Open the real-time canvas from the left sidebar. Select the real-time tool from the menu. Step 3. Type your subject prompt in the prompt field. Start simple, one clear subject, one style reference, one lighting note. You will see the canvas start generating immediately. Step 4. Draw a rough shape on the canvas where you want the subject to appear. Any shape works, a circle, a rough silhouette, a rectangle. The AI fills it with your prompted subject. Step 5. Adjust the image strength slider. Higher strength gives the AI more freedom. Lower strength follows your drawing more closely. Find the balance that gives you control without losing quality. Step 6. Place a reference image on the canvas to guide the composition. Upload any photo or graphic and KREA uses it as a visual anchor. Step 7. Export your result as a PNG, or open it in the KREA upscaler for a 4x resolution boost before downloading. Here is how to train your own custom AI model inside KREA. Step 1. Go to the Models section in the KREA sidebar and select Train a Model. Custom model training is available on the Pro plan. Step 2. Choose your model type. Style for a visual aesthetic, character for a specific face or figure, object for a specific product, or concept for an abstract visual idea. Step 3. Prepare your training images. 10 to 30 high-quality examples work best. Consistent lighting, varied angles, and clean backgrounds give the model more accurate training data. Step 4. Upload your images and write a trigger word for the model. The trigger word is what you type in any KREA prompt to activate your trained model. Step 5. Set the number of training steps and start training. KREA handles the fine-tuning on its own infrastructure automatically. It typically takes 15 to 30 minutes. Step 6. Test your model in the real-time canvas by typing the trigger word. Your trained style generates instantly in the live canvas. Step 7. Combine your custom model with other KREA prompts, style references, lighting, and environments. The real power comes from blending your trained style with KREA's compositional and stylistic controls. The KREA upscaler is one of the most underused features on the platform, and for designers it may be the most valuable one. It scales any image 4 to 16 times its original resolution. The key difference from a basic resize operation is that the upscaler adds texture, sharpness, and micro detail rather than just stretching pixels. The output looks like a higher resolution photograph, not a blown-up small image. Designers are using it to take AI-generated product images to print-ready resolution, to restore and enhance older low-resolution photographs, to bring 512-pixel AI art outputs to 4K without quality loss, and to prepare seamless patterns and textures for high-resolution design work. Compared to Topaz Gigapixel, which costs around $200 per year, the KREA upscaler is free for basic use with comparable quality on photographic and AI-generated image content. The most effective workflow: first run your image back through the real-time canvas to fix any issues or unwanted elements, then upscale the corrected version. This two-step process consistently produces the cleanest final output. Here is how different creative roles are using KREA in practice. Brand designers are training custom models on their brand visual language so every KREA generation is on brand without detailed prompting. Concept artists are using the real-time canvas to explore compositions rapidly, sketching the rough layout and letting the AI fill in photorealistic detail, all before committing time to a full render. Illustrators are using the canvas as a live sketching tool where the AI fills their rough strokes with coherent detailed imagery. Photographers are generating contextual backgrounds for product shots and extending the edges of cropped compositions in real time. Product designers are placing product sketches on the canvas and generating photorealistic visualizations in different materials and contexts. Motion designers are using KREA video to add cinematic movement to still hero images. Architects are sketching spatial concepts on the canvas and generating photorealistic visualizations from rough floor plan shapes. And art directors are training custom models to lock the visual language of a campaign before briefing the wider team. KREA Video adds motion generation to the KREA creative pipeline. Image to video: upload any still image and KREA animates it with physically plausible cinematic motion. The motion respects the original image's lighting, composition, and visual style. Text to video: describe a scene in plain language and KREA generates the moving footage directly. Camera motion can be specified, dolly, pan, zoom, and orbital moves are all available as options per generation. KREA maintains visual style consistency between the source image and the output motion, which is important when the video needs to match existing brand or campaign visuals. The most common professional use case is bringing hero images and product shots to life for social media, where a few seconds of subtle motion dramatically increases watch time and engagement. Every video exports as an MP4 that drops directly into any editing timeline. The recommended workflow is: generate the still in the real-time canvas, refine it, upscale it, then animate the final version. Video generation uses KREA credits, so plan your usage against your plan's monthly credit allocation. Who is KREA AI built for? Brand designers are the highest value users of the custom model training feature. They train KREA on their brand visual library so every generation is on brand without lengthy prompting. Concept artists use the real-time canvas to explore layouts and compositions faster than any other tool allows, treating the AI as a live sketching assistant. Illustrators use the canvas's draw-to-generate capability to extend and detail their rough sketches in real time. Photographers use KREA to generate contextual backgrounds, extend photo edges for wider crops, and produce product shot variations without additional shoots. Product designers visualize their product in different materials, lighting environments, and use contexts in seconds. Motion designers animate their still hero images with KREA video for social media and campaign content. And architects use the real-time canvas to turn rough spatial sketches into photorealistic concept renders for client presentations. Here is what creatives are actually doing with KREA right now. A designer trains a custom brand model and generates 50 on-brand campaign images in a single afternoon, something that previously required a photographer and a studio. A photographer extends portrait edges to widescreen format in real time without booking a reshoot. A concept artist explores 20 composition variations in 10 minutes on the live canvas, more than a full day's work in traditional concept development. A product team generates 30 material and environment variations of one hero product shot without any additional photography. An art director delivers a client mood board in 2 hours instead of 2 days by generating and iterating on the canvas instead of sourcing stock images. A motion designer animates 12 still social images with KREA video for a campaign launch, adding motion to every hero asset in the toolkit. An architect presents 8 photorealistic concept renders from hand-drawn sketches in a single client session. And an illustrator upscales final artwork from 512 pixels to 4K using the KREA upscaler, avoiding the annual cost of a Topaz license. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Midjourney, KREA's real-time canvas and free upscaler are not available in Midjourney. Midjourney has a higher artistic quality ceiling and remains the top choice for purely aesthetic image generation. Versus Adobe Firefly, KREA generates in real time with the canvas workflow. Firefly has commercial indemnification and deep creative cloud integration that KREA does not offer. Versus Ideogram AI, KREA has custom model training. Ideogram leads on text rendering accuracy inside generated images. Versus Leonardo AI, KREA's real-time canvas is unique. Leonardo has a broader selection of generation models and fine-tuning options. Versus Stable Diffusion, KREA is fully hosted with no setup, no GPU, and no technical knowledge. Stable Diffusion runs locally with unlimited generation for those who manage their own environment. Versus running Flux locally, KREA gives you Flux with the real-time canvas interface, without requiring a local GPU. Local Flux is unlimited and costs nothing per generation once the hardware is set up. The honest summary: KREA is the best choice when real-time exploration and the upscaler are the priority. For maximum quality or commercial safety, other tools lead. 8 tips that consistently improve KREA output. 1. Start with a shape before typing the prompt. Draw a rough silhouette of your subject on the canvas first. The AI generates more accurately when it has spatial input to guide the composition. 2. Use the style field for the aesthetic and the prompt field for the subject. Mixing both into one prompt softens the results. 3. Start the image strength slider at 30% and increase gradually. At high strength, the AI can override your composition entirely. Build up from low strength to find the right balance. 4. Place a reference image on the canvas before drawing anything. KREA uses it as a composition and content anchor and produces far more controlled and usable output. 5. Never download a raw canvas output. Always run it through the upscaler first. The quality difference between a raw 512 pixel output and an upscaled version is significant and immediately visible. 6. When preparing training images for a custom model, use at least 20 images with consistent backgrounds and varied angles. 7. For KREA video, always start from your best upscaled still, not a raw output. Higher input resolution produces dramatically better motion quality. 8. Use negative prompts. Type what you want to exclude in the negative field and KREA removes those elements in real time. KREA AI pricing. The free plan includes access to the real-time canvas, a limited version of the upscaler, and flux-based image generation. It is a genuinely useful free tier, enough to experience what makes KREA different from other tools. Basic is $35 a month. You get significantly more monthly generations, full upscaler access with no resolution limits, and the enhanced generation feature for higher quality outputs. The right plan for individual creatives using KREA regularly for professional work. Pro is $99 a month. Unlimited image generation, custom model training, and API access for integrating KREA into your own workflows and pipelines. If you need to train models on your own brand or subject, Pro is the required plan. Enterprise is custom priced with team access, dedicated support, and custom model training volumes for larger organizations. My recommendation: start free to learn the Canvas workflow. Move to Basic when you are using KREA regularly and hitting the generation limits. Upgrade to Pro when custom model training becomes part of your production workflow. Here is everything you need. Start at KREA AI, free account, real-time canvas and upscaler included, no card. Upgrade to Basic at $35 when you need more generations and full upscaler access. Upgrade to Pro at $99 when you need custom model training, both available at KREA.ai/pricing. If maximum artistic quality is the priority and the real-time canvas is not essential, Midjourney at midjourney.com is worth comparing. Link in the description. All links are below. If this guide helped you understand what KREA can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI creative tool every week. Now go open the canvas and see what happens when you draw. See you in the next one.